Now let's have a look on another tool, which is the MS919. The tablet is the same like it was in MS909, so all technical features are equal. However, there is a big difference between MS909 and MS919, which is the diagnostic interface. The new VCMI is much more than the diagnostics interface only. It combines the diagnostic interface with a 4 independent channels oscilloscope and a multimeter in one. It supports the same protocols J2534, RP1210, ISO 22900, DoIP and CAN-FD. It means that the mechanic has the most advanced tool for car repair. Another advantage: now mechanic can make all required electric measurements without necessity to take another tool. The VCI has its own internal battery, so it doesn't require to be powered during the measurements. Now, mechanic using the oscilloscope, for example, can check does the ECU send drive signal for the actuator or check the timing of the engine. Of course, in case the timing is without advanced management. Also, the new VCMI has been upgraded with a connectivity and now is available with a Wi-Fi like new Maxi Flash. Bluetooth and USB cable is also possible.